Chapter 10.1 Scatter Plots and Correlation. In simple correlation and regression studies, the researcher collects data on two numerical quantitative variables to see whether a relationship exists between the variables. The point of creating a scatter plot is to determine if there is a correlation. Correlation means a relationship between two quantities. For example, there is a correlation between how much a person studies and the grade they get on the test, but there is no correlation between how much money someone makes and what pets they own. Scatter plots are similar to line graphs in that each graph uses the horizontal x-axis and the vertical y-axis to plot data points. Scatter plots are most often used to show correlations or relationships among data. The significance of the correlation coefficient. Step 1. State the hypothesis. Step 2. Find the critical values. Step 3. Compute the test value. Step 4. Make the decision. Step 5. Summarize the results. The number of umbrellas sold and the amount of rainfall in 9 days is shown on the scatter graph and in the table. In this example, the graph shows that there is a positive correlation between the number of umbrellas sold and the amount of rainfall. On days with higher rainfall, there were a larger number of umbrellas sold. Same thing with this calories example. The more grams of fat there are, the more calories there are. Application of the assigned section to agronomy. A scatter plot here is showing the negative correlation between Q and C indexes of the farm tractor brands. Things to remember. A scatter plot with a positive correlation has x and y values that rise together. A scatter plot with a negative correlation has x values that rise as the y values decrease. A scatter plot with no correlation has no visible relationship. The line of best fit is the line that best shows the trend of the data. Thank you for your attention.